Hello बच्चों, let's see the question here. A, statement 1 is true, statement 2 is true, statement 2 is correct explanation for statement 1. B, statement 1 is true, statement 2 is true, statement 2 is not a correct explanation for statement 1. C, statement 1 is true, statement 2 is false. D, statement 1 is false, statement 2 is true. Statement 1, electron affinity of fluorine is greater than fluorine because statement 2, ionization potential of fluorine is less than fluorine. Here, we will start our solution with key concept in this case. We know that size of fluorine, this is less than fluorine. And जो fluorine का size होता है, it is really small. तो इस वजह से क्या होगा, फ्लोरीन के आउटरमोस्ट शेल में जो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होते हैं उनके बीच में इलेक्ट्रॉन रिपल्शन फोर्स जो होगा दैट विल बी एक्टिव, ओके, एंड ड्यू टू दैट दे विल अपोज एनी फर्दर एडिशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन बिकॉज ऑलरेडी साइज इतना छोटा है और उसमें इतने सारे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हैं. सो उसकी वजह से क्या होगा, रिपल्शन फोर्स ऑलरेडी बहुत ज्यादा है तो वो एक और इलेक्ट्रॉन की एंट्री नहीं एक्सेप्ट करेंगे. वेरेज इन केस ऑफ क्लोरीन का साइज बड़ा है एंड ड्यू टू दैट इट विल अलाउ द एडिशन ऑफ वन इलेक्ट्रॉन एंड हेंस in the case of fluorine and chlorine, electron affinity, that is energy released when one electron is added in the outermost shell, so this will be greater for chlorine as compared to the fluorine because the general here electron affinity जो होता है वो inversely proportional होता है size के, but this is the exception here because of really small size of fluorine. That is, first statement, electron affinity of fluorine is greater than chlorine. ये क्या हो गया, incorrect हो गया. So if we see the options here, option A that says statement 1 is true, B also says statement 1 is true, and C also says statement 1 is true. That means all of these options are eliminated, and through elimination also we can say that statement D, this is correct. But here we will solve for statement 2 as well. Statement 2 में हमारे पास क्या given है, that ionization potential of fluorine is less than chlorine. So here in the case of ionization potential, the value of ionization potential for chlorine, it is greater than fluorine. Similar is the reason that the size of fluorine is really small. So due to that, here we know that fluorine, it is the most electronegative element as well. Hence, the given statement, ionization potential of fluorine is less than chlorine, is true. From this, we can say that option D, this is the correct option here. Hence, this is the final answer. I hope you understood the explanation. All the best.